Sweaty Cup. And today is Monday, the 25th of November, C. Sib PM 4:10. And today I have Nung Song Sam unboxings. Nung Song Sam. Okay, Nung. Passion, be Cerrito, have confidence, max confidence. Okay, it's meant to be an XL. However, it feels pretty fitted. Okay. It's a nice colour, nice leaf. I believe we'll be wearing this relaxing at home, in bed, laying down, meditating, with long sleeves so we don't get bitten. That's perfect. Song. Aha! We have something to set up and play with. AI Smart Guardian 2K CP3 Pro Tender Security Pan Tilt Camera Wi-Fi 6. Works with Alexa, 360 degrees all-round vision, one-touch call, smart tracking, crime detection. Pet detection. Two-way audio, human detection, micro SD card, NVR cloud storage. We've got 128 micro SD card, 128 gigabytes. Okay. There's an app to download. Yes, we're setting this up. In fact, it's open. Okay, take it out, but I'll actually open up number Sam next. Okay, so you have mounting kits as well as screws. I'll screw it in somewhere to work out where I'm going to put it first. Screw hole. Quick installation guide, quick installation guide. Okay, we can do that afterwards. Okay. Sam. I just remember what this is. I know what this is. I know what this is. Animal updates. We have Shorthouse in the garden and Tommy in the tent. All the animals get on now. Ginger's been around today. We fed Arthur. Actually no, Arthur didn't want his food. I think it's because Tommy got upset. We fed Arthur first, or tried to. And I think okay, now this is meant to be, yes it is, a food and drink dispenser for Tommy. Oops. I think his present just fell down. So this can be burnt in the fire later. This should be the tinted colour we got, yes. should be the base. Okay. This is a water holder, by the looks of it. It's going to hold the water. Yes, that just goes into there. This must be the lid. So this would then go this way around. Let's go down. This looks pretty good. So he won't know what's happened. It's set up while he's asleep. He's sleeping. This is with two parts here. Ah, this must be a little cover for the food area, which I'm sure why. Oh, that'd be water. Let's find out about that. I'm not sure what that's for, but anyway, so the food will come out. The idea is the food goes in here and it comes out. I'm going to test this out, see as long as it works. Apparently it will hold the food for a week, apparently. Food and water. We'll test it out. May as well try it out straight away. Okay, so that's the item number song. Now, I actually want to put this video up ASAP, so I believe this will be going out tomorrow. Edit it. It'll be a straight video and put up for 4 PM tomorrow. The idea is then I have lots of videos to edit, so I'm going to get back into the order, keep going. I believe I've got to I believe the Wednesday market before Halloween, so I still need to do Wednesday market, then we can come into Halloween. Those edits are going to take a while, and the idea is then to keep going, keep putting out Nung video a day every Friday live at PM, and shorts. There should be Nung short a day as well. So I'm going to edit, make sure they start going up. Obviously I've been to Laos and back, and I'm now ready to start putting them back out again. Let me just show you the position of Tommy and Short House. Yes, have a look. Okay, if you've been watching this video, then please remember to subscribe, and a like is very much appreciated, and if you could share, it will very much help Breatharian Travels to grow. Cop and cap. see you all on the next video.